So ito yung sa Nepal mga boss, sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng context nito. Nag-umpisa 'to boss dahil din sa corruption. Bali parang nag-start dito tulad nung pag-i-start sa atin. Kaya nga parang hindi possible na hindi possible na maging ganito yung Pilipinas pero sana 'wag naman. Pero malaki yung chunk ng galit ng mga tao nag-umpisa dito dahil sa mga nepo baby. Ang isang picture na nakita ko dito mga boss, yung isang, anak ng politician tapos gumawa siya ng Christmas tree gamit yung luxury na bag, di ko alam kung Louis Vuitton or something. Then, yung mga tao nagre-react dun sa picture na yun nung anak ng, negosyante, ng politiko, na pera daw ng taong bayan yon. So, dun sila nagve-vent out ng sama ng loob, social media. Dun sila nagsasabi na gan'to, magnanakaw or ganyan, corrupt. Ngayon, ang naging solusyon kasi ng gobyerno ng Nepal is i-ban. Ewan ko kung yun ang naging solusyon, pero kapag pinag-connect-connect mo kasi, parang yun ang nangyari. Then after nun, after ilang araw, maraming social media platform yung binan nila sa country nila dahil daw hindi nagko-comply sa government ng Nepal. YouTube, X, Facebook, marami pang iba. Nung naban yon, parang nawalan yung mga tao ng way para mag-vent or magsabi ng sama ng loob nila. Kasi nga nakaban na yung social media, so wala na lahat. Ngayon nag-ano sila ng protesta. Then sa protestang yon, ang sabi nila nagkaroon daw ng 19 na namatay kung di ako nagkakamali. Pero hindi ko sure, i-check nyo na lang, madali na mai-google yan. Hanggang sa ngayon, kanina umabot sa ganito. Sinunog nila yung isang building, hindi ko maalala tawag sa parliament, hindi ko alam, hindi ko maalala. Pero sinunog nila yung building pre. Sinira nila yung mga property ng gobyerno. Kumbaga, nakakatakot yung ganito kasi ano pa lang 'to, hindi parang kung titignan mo yung scale nito, sa scale nung pagnanakaw sa Pilipinas, maaring mas lamang 'to, baka konti lang or marami yung magsasabi na baka mas lamang pa yung corruption sa Pilipinas. Ngayon papanoorin natin mga boss yung nangyari dito sa video na 'to dun sa Nepal. Makikita niyo po sobrang lala talaga.
Fuck politician! Fuck Ebioli!
Doomsday shit.
Yung kay Charlie Kirk sa akin. Makikita nyo dito sobrang daming tao pre, sobrang daming nakiisa.
Why did everybody just run?
Police are
People are like doing something.
Hitting each other.
Not
Violence.
exactly hitting,
police.
but they might hit. So we are running. We are still on protest. Better you
Kaya nga
from this way.
nagkaroon ng extra work.
Your safety is our concern.
Excuse me.
Yung mga luxury items, possible pre. Lalo na't wala ka namang source talaga ng ganong kalaki para bumili ng ganong karaming luxury items.
Everybody ran away.
Pwede yun. Bibili mo yung mga luxury item tapos ibebenta mo. Malinis na yun kasi nabenta mo na eh. So possible siya. Possible tong ganito.
It's the type of stuff that really does make your hair stand on end. I think it's supposed to get bigger today as well. I'm not sure. We'll go ask some questions of some people.
Mukhang Pilipino eh, no? Mukhang mga Pilipino yung iba eh.
Nice to meet you. What's your name? Can't hear. Okay.
Puro Gen Z nga to. Sabi nga nila puro Gen Z to.
Run up this way for some reason. Let's go see what's going on.
Why are we running this way?
actually one man throws a stone in the middle of the nowhere, so that's why.
Oh shit.
Uy! Ikaw, ba't yun binanatan yun? Ba't yun binanatan yun?
Believe what I'm witnessing right now. They're all hitting this guy, I think, because he threw a stone. It hit someone else. Tensions are high. That was was a gunshot that just went off. That's another gunshot.
Naging PK server sila, no?
Pushing that over there. More gunshots in the air. Oh shit, he's just put off some tear gas over this way. Bollocks. Oh fuck, sorry dude. There's some more cans being thrown this way.
Tear gas.
Fucking hell. Wow, that fucking really gets in your eyes. Shit, man. Fucking hell. Yeah.
Di sila mukhang Gen Z
Fuck
lahat.
me, dude. I've never witnessed anything like it there. Chucking the tear gas on the side. My eyes are watering. You can feel it going up your nose. Jesus. It's over there.
Same.
The smoke's going off.
Holy mackerel.
This way, let's go.
Kasama ka ba sa luneta? Hindi, boss.
I'm kind of worried for my bike now.
This is not for social media, this is for corruption.
Yes, I know, I've heard.
Journalism, nagkataon lang yan. Alam, magbabakasyon lang yan dito dapat eh. Sa Nepal.
This is for social media, no. This is for like corruption.
Yeah.
Because our like child, like our brother and sister, like 17, 18, they just died.
Yeah, they've just been shot.
They're murdered.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go a little bit further to see where they.
Pupunta kayo sa luneta? Magluluneta kayo talaga?
In the air. Real chemical shit that. And here's the guy getting stuff out of his eyes. Here, they're firing more tear gas down there, as you can see. Fucking hell. Did you get in the fire? Bloody hell, man. They've retreated all the
Sakit sa
way
mata
back
niya.
there. They've created a gap.
Di ka makahinga.
The protesters over here and the police have moved all the way back. Absolutely insane.
Make a video of them. These are all corrupted police officers.
You think they're corrupt?
This whole system is corrupt.
Yeah.
Dami nila pa rin na itutulak nila yung polis.
That's why you.
Takot din yung mga polis eh. Kasi ano sila eh.
Well, you pushed them back
Dalawa
here.
kasi yung pwedeng mangyari sa kanila. Makasakit sila and kakasuhan sila. Or masaktan sila tapos hindi nila makapture kung sino yung nanakit sa kanila.
Here, right? And you push forward. For the first time in my life, I've just experienced tear gas.
Etong Nepal kasi boss, nasa gitna to ng India tsaka China eh. Ito lang yung isa sa, ang alam kong history ng Nepal. Parang hindi siya, nasasakop siya, natatalo siya sa war. Pero end up, nakikip nila yung pangalan nila as Nepal. Hindi sila yung nagiging part ng China, nagiging part ng India. Nepal talaga sila, pre.
This is gonna get dangerous real soon. It's time for me to get a little bit backwards. Tear gas, tear gas, tear gas, tear gas. Let's start running.
Nakakatakot siya, no?
You can see, look. Ambulance over there. Tear gas is being thrown back by some guy. He's just fucked his hand up doing that.
Parang Manila sa kanila to siguro. Tingnan mo yung tsura, parang Maynila rin.
Someone might have been hit. Well, it really gets in your eyes, dude.
Instead of putting some like injured people, they are putting this government people or police so that they can attack us or they can save them. So this is the major like problem which we have. Yesterday they did same thing. They just like took political member to save from us, not the victory, not the like injured people. So much like corruption.
Halo-halo eh, no?
Well, this is quite literally insane. They have pushed the police all the way back over this way. All the way down. We've just come from there where that Skyland lounge is, and now everyone's up here. The journalists have come into the crowds, it seems. No longer being
buti hindi
protected by the
nagkaka-stampede.
riot police.
May
Fires
condition
over there,
kang
you can
pwedeng
see the police are
kailangan
slowly
imit dun sa
further
stampede. Sobrang dikit-dikit yung mga tao.
Come up here, they're trying to get into
Doon ka kasi
this
madadapa
gate.
eh. Pag sobrang dikit-dikit na yung mga tao.
Look at this. Look at this guy, dude.
Grabe, sinisira nila, pre. Ayun, siraan na. GG. Ang hirap kasing kontrolin yan. Hindi mo naman pwede pagbabarilin yan eh. Holy mackerel. Tignan yung sunog, pre.
I can't believe what I'm witnessing right now. There's tear gas right there. Again. That plume of smoke in the background, I didn't catch it on camera, but that's a petrol station apparently blown up, a gas tank.
Our government is very corrupt because they kill 20 people tomorrow, yesterday. They are very bad.
Pinas na next.
The KP Sharma
Alam nyo, eto nakakatakot dyan, pre. Ito nakakatakot dyan na ano. Nakita ng mga Pilipino, alam kong hindi lang tayo nakapanood nito. Kung makikita to ng mga Pilipino na matagumpay yung ganitong way, tingin nyo ba, hindi to imposibleng gayahin ng ibang Pilipino? Ako naniniwala kung kaya tong i-imitate ng kahit anong bansa, pre. Etong nangyari dito sa Nepal, na lumalabas kasi siyang mukhang success. Nasunog nila yung gusto nilang sunugan, pero hindi kasi magandang mangyari. Kumbaga, mas babagsak ang ekonomiya pag ganun eh. Indo ang nauna, then Nepal. Tapos, ang nangyayaring lahat na trending na malalang nangyayari ngayon, lahat about sa politika eh. Yung pangungarap sa Indo, corruption sa Nepal, corruption sa Pilipinas, tapos yung napengpeng sa leeg, si Kirk, Charlie Kirk, di ba? Nito lang, kaninang umaga. Lahat galing sa lahat sa politika, ganong kadumi, ganong kadugo yung politika, pre. Kaya isa to sa pinakamahirap na pasukan na once na naging corrupt ka or naging part ka ng government, parang ang hirap niyan labasan na kampante ka.
Brother, are you okay?
I'm okay
Yeah.
because tear gas affect me my eyes and
I know. I can see it, my friend. I can feel it, my friend.
Tapos consider nyo pa na ang mga nag-rally dito, boss, puro Gen Z. Siguro mga 90% kung hindi 100. Puro Gen Z. Gen Z ang nag-start nito. And Gen Z rin yung nag-organize nito.
Over there as well again. Look at the sheer amount of people. Over here, to the left of me, they're pulling down all these railings.
Kinigiwa nila.
They're now trying to get into, I don't know, I believe it must be some government office. All the barbed wire being pulled down. The riot police in there.
Kabado na rin yung mga polis na yun. Uy, gago, sinira yung mga CCTV. Uy, yun lang. Inabutik pa siya dun ah.
Fell down. Tear gas. Some guy covering his eyes.
May contingency plan. Meron naman, boss. Pero ngayon kasi ang pinaka-best na kailangan nilang pakita dyan is confidence, pre. Confidence na kaya nilang i-handle to. Confidence na mas magaling ang pulis natin sa Indo tsaka sa Nepal. Yun na lang talaga. Hindi sila pwede magpakita ng pinanghihinaan sila ng loob na makikiusap sila na wag gagawin to ng ibang Pilipino. Hindi sila pwede magpakita ng kahinaan ngayon, pre. Kailangan confident nilang sasagutin, ay kaya namin yan.
Getting away from it all.
Kawawa talaga ang pulis, pre. Sa totoo lang, kawawa ang pulis.
That really gets in the back of your throat. In your eyes. It burns the forehead. And it smells like wasabi or mustard. Thank you so much. And this is what I mean about the humanity. The humanity still remains even though there's chaos. That way. There's blown up stuff. They're ripping off the railings. But still, you have people sharing water, laughing, helping each other out.
What is your name?
Wild, wild, wild.
Can I have a small bite if you're from?
I'm from England.
So how long it's been you've been here in Nepal?
Dapat, oh.
1 day?
Yes.
It's your first time here?
No, it's my second time. I got stuck because I need to ship my bike from Kathmandu to Dubai. And yesterday I arrived in riots.
This question might be a little bit tricky, but how's Nepal treating you right now? How are you feeling here?
The people are wonderful.
Pero ano kaya, no? Meron kayang pulis na galit na rin sa corruption? Hindi ko alam eh. Kasi ano pa rin naman yan eh, choice pa rin naman ng mga pulis kung talagang gagawin nila, isasakripisyo nila yung sarili nila para pigilan tong mga to. Trabaho nila yan, boss. Trabaho nila yan. Yang kontrolin yung ganitong crowd. Pero kasi, hindi ko alam kung possible yun na mag-aklas din sila sa sa gobyernong pinagsisilbihan nila. Hindi ko lang alam, boss, hindi ako expert ng ganyan. Hindi ko alam, pero naniniwala ako na mayroong mga pulis na nabubuwisit na rin sa baha. And every time na bumabaha, nabubuwisit sila sa mga korap na government official or sa DPWH or kung kanino man. Malala yung kay Charlie Kirk eh. Grabe yun.
I'm not
Politika
sure what's
rin yun.
going on. They've broken into this building right here. Oh my God, the scenes of this riot have just got real. What's
Gulo ng
behind
mundo
me
ngayon, no?
is hundreds of people breaking through the main gate.
Eh na.
Riot police
Napasok na nila yung
outside.
yung gate 1 crusade.
They have pushed all the way from back there. I cannot believe it. Oh, brother. Hello.
Ako yung taga-video, tas yun yung mga sila mali yung kinakamayan ko, mga ritual din. Papasok na. Gate 1. Gate 1. Oh, gago. Takot din sila sa baril eh. Sino bang hindi? Crusade to? Gragi,
Honestly, I have
nasunog
no words.
nila.
I've been told right now that they were firing shots in the air. So it's I'm thankful that it's no one. But you can see behind me all the plumes of smoke. I've just been standing over here to try and get away from it. And people have just been coming up to me asking me, where are you from? Where are you from? Which football team do you support? While this chaos is going on, I can't quite describe what's going on, man.
Oh. Diretso yung glider nun,
It's
ha?
this weird mix of powerful emotions that are running through
Yan,
everybody.
Ano?
I can't quite describe what's going on, man. It's this weird mix of powerful emotions that are running through everybody. They have done it, yes. You've broken into Parliament. Yes.
Oo nga, no? Parang people power ba to? Yung dating nito? Hindi ko kasi naabutan people power eh.
One night in jail, they kept you.
Nandiyan ka ba? Nung nag-people power ba kayo? Parang nag-lead ka ba nun?
From custody.
Nakita ko si Por
You
kanina.
just got out.
Yeah.
You got freed.
Yeah.
Legally or illegally?
Legally.
Legally.
Thank you, my brother.
Congratulations to freedom.
Yes, freedom.
Oh, gagi. Takbo rin ngayon. Takbuhan, pre. Dumating na yung ano. Oo nga, no? Pag nagkaroon na naman ng people power, pre, tatak na talaga ng Marcos yun, no? If ever lang na magkaroon ng people power. People power sa tatay niya, people power sa kanya. Holy mackerel. Mukhang if matuloy man yun, tatatak na yun sa kanya, tatatak na yun sa tatay niya. And baka mahihirapan ng manalo ulit ang isang Marcos sa mga susunod na panahon.
What just happened in there? Explosions.
That's burning.
Burning.
Yeah.
Gas.
Parliament burning. Yeah.
Parliament's burning.
Yeah.
Ay!
Parliament is burning.
Pag nagka-people power, magiging presidente si Sara?
Yeah.
Parliament is burning.
Parliament burning from we people.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Safe.
Thanks.
Please be safe.
Okay.
So, you heard it. Parliament is burning. Parliament is burning.
Parliament ang sinunog nila, pre. Kawawa yung tagatulak. Gagi, ang lala, oh.
यो राष्ट्रको झण्डा हो यो राष्ट्रको झण्डा म एउटा जर्नलिस्ट भएको नाताले पनि देशको नागरिक हो
I cannot believe my eyes right now. The whole of Parliament is on fire. People are dancing. None of it is left. Look at it. The whole building is burned through.
Grabe, oh.
People holding Nepali flags on top of the fire engines.
Nanguha pa ng keyboard yata yun, ah.
What the fuck am I witnessing right now?
Fuck politician, fuck Kepioli.
Pilay ba talaga yun? Nakirali yung pilay? Grabe, bro. Nepal Police. Grabe, ang lala. Nakakatakot. Ayun, oh. Ito yung sinasabi ko, pre. Kino-consider nilang panalo sila sa ginawa nila sa ano. Ito yung nakakatakot na parte. If mapapanood to ng ibang Pilipino na pupunta sa 21, baka maging baseline nila to, pre. Baka maging baseline nila to na ito yung way para makonsider na panalo yung protesta nyo. And sana wag naman, boss. Wag naman kasi imposibleng walang masaktan sa ganitong uri ng ano, ng gatong uri ng mga protesta. Sobrang labo na walang masaktan dyan, policeman o yung mga nagpo-protesta. Sa France, sobrang ang kapal kasi ng mukha ng mga gobyerno eh, no? Ang kapal ng mukha ng mga korap eh. Kaya na, ihingi kayo ng boto sa amin. After nun, kukunin nyo yung boto namin, hihingin nyo yung boto namin. Then after nun, kukunin nyo ng walang paalam yung pera ng mga tao. Tapos pag nagkagulo, ang maapektuhan yung mga pulis, maapektuhan yung mga nagrarally, sila wala, nasa private jet sila, nasa magandang bahay sila. Safe sila, may mga security sila. Logi eh. Kaya halos sobrang laki ng reward. Sobrang laki ng reward, tsaka risk. Yung risk meron namang risk lahat eh. Pero yung reward kasi as pangongorap and sobrang laki ng korap mo, ang laki ng upside mo compare sa magiging downside mo. Kaya ang daming korap eh.
The riot police have left. The building behind me is on fire. In front of me, sorry. People are celebrating, smashing everything. You can see Parliament has been destroyed.
What is the channel name?
We hate the cold. We hate the cold. We hate the cold.
Alam nyo pa isa nakakatakot, pre? Abang-usa ko nabasa to eh. Di ba meron tayong mga terorista sa Pilipinas, pre? Yang mga yan, naghihintay sila ng pinaka-best time para gumawa ng gulo. And yung gulo na yon isisi sa gobyerno, pre. What if sobrang dami doon sa 21, tapos yung mga terorista na yun ang manggulo? Then isisi nila sa gobyerno kasi nga, ang nirarally doon gobyerno eh. So number one suspect mo doon is yung government, hindi sila. Kaya kailangan, kung sino man mag-organize doon, i-consider mo rin na yung safety ng mga pupunta doon. Hindi pwedeng, baka may suicide bomber doon, pre. 'Di ba? Ayan ang nakakatakot, pre. Consider nyo, hindi ko sinasabihan na huwag kayong pumunta, pre. I-consider nyo lang na bukas dapat make sure nyo na buhay kayo, pre. Kailangan magaling dyan yung organizer. Pwede naman yan ma-organize ng payapa talaga. Kailangan lang na magaling na organizer. Na hindi ganito yung goal. Makita niyo yung fireborn?
Crazy, man.
Grabe, sunog na sunog yung loob, oh.
I heard, brother. I heard.
Nepal government deserves this. Actually, they deserve this. You know, we don't want to do this by our own choice. We are doing this because they deserve this. We can beat it. We can.
Ito yung mga korap na kulong pero makukulong pero nakalaya pa rin at nakakabalik pa sa gobyerno. Totoo yan. And, ito isipin nyo yung mga mayayaman na korap, pag nakulong yan, mas maganda pa rin yung bahay niyan dun sa mga nakalaya. Dun sa mga laya na hindi nakulong, patas trumabaho, na mahirap, pre. Nakita na ba kayo ng bahay na mahirap, pre? Yung talagang squatter, ayun, illegal yon yung pag-i-squat ng walang ano. Pero sabihin natin na normal kang taxpayer, hindi malaki sahod mo, sakto lang lagi yung kinikita nyo para mabuhay ng isang buwan. Nakita na kayo ng bahay nun. Yung iba walang bahay. Minsan apartment nga lang eh. Pero siya masaya pa rin. Tingnan nyo to.
Nepal youth can beat it. This is what Nepal people can beat it. And we will change Nepal. This is what Nepal.
May aircon pa, no? Sabi nga nila, makukulong ka lang ng mayaman ka. Kunyari, makukulong ka lang na mayaman ka sa Muntinlupa, yung sa maximum, if magnenegosyo ka ng shabu, pre. Yun ang sabi nila doon, boss. May ano daw dyan eh, may lutuan daw dyan. Ewan kung sino nag-reveal. Parang Robin Padilla yata, parang kwento niya.
This is crazy. They're waving the army goodbye. The army are gone. He's got riot police gear. Fucking hell, man!
This is insane, right?
Grabe yun ah.
Police. This is a police vehicle. Police vehicle.
May nakahubad dun ah.
Right. I'm gonna get the hell out of here. You can see.
Iba nangyari na yun dati, Plaza Miranda bombing incident, yung bombing tapos, hindi ko maalala yan. Pero thank you so much. Search ka yan. Danan, thank you.
Just what is happening to the right of me, the smoke from all those vehicles. The black plumes.
Wala pang kumukuha ng nag-resign na yung leader nila, di ba? Grabe oh.
All of the people celebrating.
Mahalaga rin talaga na may government. Walang government ka itong mangyari. Kaso kapag ganito rin naman mangyayari, kapag sobrang lala naman ng government nyo.
We love our Nepal. We are the fucking country. We just fucking want.
Dami oh. Nakita nyo yan? Paano pipigilan ng pulis yan? Paano contingency plan gagawin nyo dyan? Babarilin? Hindi ko alam eh. Paano contingency plan gagawin mo? Ganyan karami. Paano may kukontrolin yan? 10 tao kada isang pulis? Ilan ba ang pulis natin? Kaya ba ng 1:1 to? 1:1 medyo kaya pa eh. Pero kapag 1:5 na or 1:10, medyo parang hirap ng pigilan. And hindi naman lahat ng pulis talaga as in willing na pasukin yan pre para pigilan. Yung iba dyan, siyempre yung pulis matatakot din dyan. Nakakaawa rin yung pulis. 225k pulis. Ilan ang pwedeng i-deploy sa ganito? Hindi mo pwede i-deploy lahat yan eh. Uy, gawago, may baril sila. Ayun na. I am the captain. Gawago, may iputok niya yan.
Well, it's time to leave. I'm shocked at the scenes I've witnessed here today. I have truly witnessed history on a stupid trip from Thailand to England on a fucking moped.
Nagbakasyon lang siya, pre. Naging journalist pa siya.
And with that, I'm gonna go back to my motorcycle. This is Genji. And I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Power up, you Genji.
Sabay natapilok yung ano, wheelchair, no? Ang tanong, boss Juice, naawa rin yan mga yan, pre. Nagigilty pa rin yan kung pasusugodin nila yung pulis sa mga gantong uri. Naawa pa rin yan, pero wala naman, ano eh. Wala silang choice eh. Hindi nila pwedeng ipasugod dyan yung mga private bodyguard nila. Pulis talaga haharap dyan or army.
Baby here, safe and sound. Nothing stolen. All good. Yes, sir.
Age group yan eh, Gen Z.
Yeah,
Political change,
I'm good, man.
protest against corruption.
Yeah.
Some water.
No, I'm good, man. I'm gonna ride back.
Some water.
No, I'm okay. I've just had some. Thank you, man. Honestly.
How many days it takes to come from Thailand to here?
Hindi pa sila makauwi kasi nga naka-curfew ngayon yung ano eh, Nepal. Parang bawal lumabas.
So where you are planning to go now?
Brother, thank you. Now I'm going back to my hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah,
How long you will stay here in Kathmandu?
until this is curfew over.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think it's over.
Okay, we are distributing water.
Yeah, thank you, man. I've got one.
So I'm from Kathmandu Hiking Group.
Kathmandu Hiking Club.
Hiking Group.
Okay.
We have 32,000 people in our group.
Oh, lovely, man.
Yeah, every month, every week we are going hike around Kathmandu.
Amazing.
And we are doing cleaning campaign.
Yeah.
So nice to talk.
Nice to talk to you too, dude.
Can we talk in social media?
Of course, yeah. I don't have internet. Better you do. I'll follow you back. Stay safe.
I'll keep in contact with you.
Okay, goodbye.
Nag-promote pa. Kala mo dito walang nangyari. Oh.
Well, what can I say? Only in Nepal can you go to a protest.
Magkakamukha yung ano, no, mga country na kapag parang magkakamukha, no, yung country na nai-issue ngayon sa corruption. Nakita nyo ba yung kalsada ng Indo, kalsada ng Pilipinas, tsaka kalsada nito? Kung walang tao to, pre, eto real to ka, kung walang tao to, kung wala, eto, kahit wala na lang to, pagkakamalan ko tong Pilipinas eh. Pagkakamalan ko tong Pilipinas, pre.
And you come back.
Ayun, parang motovlogger lang siya.
Nothing stolen, nothing taken, and a water bottle given to you. Well, it's back to the hotel. I need to edit this, and it's goodbye from me for now.
Ang dami kasing pera talaga from tax. Pag hindi lang talaga nagamit ng tama, mukhang babagal yung progress ng pag-usad ng ano, ng government, yung pag-i-improve ng bansa.
And this is back at the hostel.
Yung hotel niyo, sobrang tahimik, hindi alam na yung nangyayari. Hindi ko alam. Abangan natin yung sa 21. Sana maging peaceful. Walang masaktan. And sana marinig ng gobyerno yung pinaglalaban nila doon para hindi na umabot sa ganito. Pero yun, abangan natin yun.